Hey everyone, I'm Derek, aka MrFreePress, and today I'm going to share with you the FreePress hack for the XTool laser. The hack includes rerouting the wiring so it doesn't drag or pinch. So as you can see here, I've got my new D1 Pro XTool, and you can see I already have the wiring routed on top. And what used to be the problem is when this was all the way back, and you had this big fat wire back here trying to come through this little crevice, it would pinch and it would always hit it before it went all the way back. So you can see I left all the original stuff here. I have thrown down some of these. You can see these are just wire fixes, cable tie mounts, and I rerouted from underneath. And I came up. You have to make sure you don't get in there the cable with the belt, otherwise it will cut one or the other. I took this little wood block and I used it as a 90. You can also use a 90-degree shelf mount, but the reason I did that is so I can get this cable tie block vertical, so this ties up to it. Came around, got another cable tie mount here. One more here. You don't want to go any further because you want plenty of room for your line to flex. And as you come back, I separated these two. They were taped together. I took the final two tape separations off. I put this one here at a 45 because it's coming off at an angle, and you have to make sure that these cables are flat instead of sideways. Flat, there's plenty of room. Now, as you look at the cable for the laser itself, you can see that it's two more mounts here, and I've left enough room so you can go all the way from home, all the way forward. Although that's an issue right here. This item, these wires keep getting hit. That's just the physical part of it. Now as you come back, you can see that there's enough flexibility everywhere, and this is your secret corner right here. You can see as you look down into it, there's plenty of room. This is as far left and forward, I'm sorry, as far right and forward as you can go, and there's a little pocket of space here. And you can see with the air mount, my air mount used to hit the wire when it was below. You can see the holes here where the cable ties used to be in that big fat plastic wire cover used to get in the way when this came this way. Boom. And also when I was doing the Y movement, it would trip up against the edge of that existing cable tie. So right now I have XY movement completely across the entire area, and you can see here there's enough flexibility. Go diagonal for the far side. And I, for the first time, have 100% XY capability. Some of the things I use today, in addition to those wire mounts, I just use a scrap block here. You can use anything. You can see I put a little bit of hot glue there, tried to strengthen it. Turned out that hot glue did not stick to the anodized aluminum. A couple tools, scissors, zip ties, wire cutters. So there it is. I'm actually new to the laser phenomenon here, the hobby, the cutting and engraving. Hope this works for you, and please share. I hope it makes your day better and your lasering more fun.